Next exercise 80. I have no wish to impose my views upon the ambassador or to embrace him by asking for impossible improvements, but it is important I should impress upon him the Chancellor's opinion in the case of those lumber valses. Full stop. You will see how imperative it is I should see the ambassador if we are to have any improvement in our relations. Just now, full stop. I desire to discover whether the Wheeler's story is true or the idea tale of a willful impostor. Full stop. I should copy only a quarter of an hour, and I am sure the ambassador will agree the importance of the case is well worth the time. Full stop.